My name is Reece, I'm the Managing Director of ZIPdoûr. So I wanted to put this video together to support customers who may be interested in our ZIPdoûr. So ZIPdoûr is designed for campervan use and has a couple of different uses within the campervan. One designed for a shower door use, and two designed for a doorway between the living area and the driver's and passenger's area, so a doorway through the bulkhead. So the reason why we designed this is, like I say, is a space-saving solution, but we wanted to increase on the range of our shower door use. As you may have seen, we offer tam door, tamper door, roll door, retractable roller door. We also do fold door, which is a lightweight bifolding door. So we thought that ZIPdoûr would be a great option, very popular in sort of off-roading and overland 4x4 type campervan styles. So with this option, it's very simple. We've got a few different sizes available that you'll see on our website. So all the sizes are designed around an opening, so a doorway opening, and then you'll have a surround, as you can see here, where you can fix on self-tapping screws with a little button head which comes in the kit. So that fixes onto the inside wall and around, and then the screen buttons onto the buttons. So a few different sizes available. So for this one, you can see here, this is a 1800 high by 600 wide, which is a most popular option. So the 600 is the width between the two zips. So that will be your opening. And each side you'll have 50 mil of overlap with your popper heads on. So 600 wide opening, and then 1800 high from the bottom to the top here, and then you've got a 50 mil top for your buttons to clip on as well, and an overlap. So 1800 by 600 wide. We also offer 1700 high, 1800 high and 1900 high, and then we've got different options for the width of opening. So we do a 600 opening, a 700, 800 and 900. So for example, with this 600, so you'll have 50 mil on each side, so the total width of this screen is 700 wide. Like I said, the opening is 600. And then with the top then, so it's 1800 high, and then you've got a 50 mil overlap on the top, so the total height will be 1850. And that would be the same then for 1700 high opening with a 50 mil overlap at the top, and the same with the width. So very, very simple. So all you need to know is what your opening width or your cutout is going to be, and then your screen will overlap on the inside. So the view that we're looking at here is the inside. So this will be fixed on over your opening, and then your screen will zip up on both sides. The zip on the inside has a rubber waterproof overlap. So if you're using for shower door use, this inside material is a silver rip top waterproof material, and as it zips down, it zips and seals off in a waterproof enclosure. And then on the opposite side, you'll be able to see from the outside is a black outer layer, which I'll show you on another screen. So like I say, it clips up inside, and the screen is contained inside the shower room. So from the outside, it'll be a nice flush finish, which I'll show you. On each side then you'll have your pull tags, so there'll be a zip on the inside, a pull tag, and then a pull tag on the outside, so you can open it from both sides on each side. In the kit you'll have your thank you for your purchase, and there'll be a QR code which you can scan, and that will link you directly to our website, where we'll have more information and support you'll be able to find this video and fitting guides. So like I say, it clips up at the top. And comes down there. So like I said, this is your inside view. The screen will zip down on both sides. And that will be your inside overhang, and it will be nice and watertight and waterproof inside for shower door use then. And then when it zips up, it'll clip up at the top there. So I'll show you on this screen. So this is the view from the front, looking at the shower room. So this overlap screen would be hidden inside. So all you would see from the outside when it's open is this section here and your zips to close it. So your clips are hidden inside, your screen is hidden inside, and that will give you a nice flush finish. So it won't overhang on your walkway, so you're not going to hit your head as you walk past. Everything is contained inside. So the screen. This is made out of a high density foam. It's about 5mm thick. And either side of that foam is an aluminium foil insulation. And then you've got your rip top material, waterproof on the inside, and your waterproof Oxford on the outside, the plain black. So easy to clean, fully black out. So if you were in the shower, you would need an inside light, very similar to our roll door, where you need an inside light, but full privacy. With that insulation as well, it will keep sound within the shower room or the toilet as a support. And then the same for if you're using it as a doorway between the bulkhead and the living area. Once that's zipped down, you'll have a nice insulation from your front of your cabin. You'll have the blackout, so there'll be no light coming in from any of the windscreen or the windows, because that'll be a full blackout into the living room area. So lots of advantages to that. So it gives you privacy from anybody looking in if you're sleeping at night. If you don't have any insulation covers on your windscreen or your side windows, which we do offer in our window range for sprinters. But that is a great option, and like I say, we've got various sizes that would fit most openings for you. But like I say, it was mainly designed for our shower door use, to complement our roll door and our tam door and our fold door. But we are finding customers using it as a replacement for a doorway for a bulkhead, so which is great. But if you do have any questions about the ZIPdoûr, please give us a call. We're available on live chat, or send us a message for our chat system, or drop us an email at sales@thedoor.co.uk. But I hope that explains ZIPdoûr and all the benefits of using it. Thank you.